short read, too. Remember to annotate as you read.
King Midas. Long ago, there lived a king named Midas, who was the richest man in the land. The king was fond of gold and loved it more than anything, except his daughter, Marigold. One day, as King Midas counted his coins, a stranger appeared. "If I could grant you one wish, what would it be?" he asked. "I'd wish that everything I touched turned to gold," King Midas replied. "Your wish is granted," exclaimed the stranger. "When you awake tomorrow, you'll have that power." The next morning, the king awoke earlier than usual. He walked around the palace, touching every object. He was delighted and thrilled when everything he touched became gold. However, when he stopped to take a sip of water, the glass of water turned to gold. Then Marigold ran to him, but when he embraced her with a kiss, she became a golden statue. "What have I done?" the king cried, and he wept with grief and sorrow. Suddenly, the stranger appeared before him. "You look like the saddest man in the land," said the stranger. "I've lost everything I care about," sobbed the king. "Fill this pitcher with water from the lake," instructed the stranger. "Then sprinkle it on everything you've turned into gold." King Midas followed his instructions. When everything returned to normal, the king was the happiest man ever.